Hello friends, and welcome back to my new video tutorial. In today's video, I am going to perform skill oriented practical of advanced web designing. Within that, I am going to perform client side image mapping practical using mobile phone. So let's get started. So as you can see on the screen, I have placed picture of question given by the board book. So SOP 7 navigation on an image using client side image mapping in web page using HTML5. Create a web page named imagemap.html with an inserted image having JPG, PNG or GIF extension. Create three different shapes like rectangle, circle and polygon which do not overlap. Note the coordinates making use of MS Paint, GIMP or Irfan View or Pinta. Each shape should be mapped or navigated with a different URL that should be navigated to a local web page. So in this practical, we have to create a web page. Within that web page, we have to insert an image. You can select any image, and on that image, we have to particularly select three different regions, like one region of rectangular shape, one region of circle shape, and one region of polygon shape. So for that, we'll need to note the coordinates of that shapes. They have told us which app we can use to note the coordinates, that is MS Office, GIMP, Irfan View or Pinta. So these are some apps which you can use to find the coordinates. So and each shape should be mapped or navigated to a different URL. So we have to link those shape to a different website. If we click on that particular region, it will lead us to different web page. So let's go to perform this practical. So let's start to perform this practical. So as you can see, I have shared my mobile screen with you. Here you can see I have downloaded TrebEdit. TrebEdit I am going to use for coding of this practical. So it is an app which you can use to code like HTML coding, CSS coding. You can use this app to code while you are using mobile phone to perform your practical. And the next thing before starting with our coding we need is to download an image which has like if you want to make this practical look attractive, you have to find an image which has different shapes objects like rectangle shaped object, circle shaped object or polygon shaped object. So for that I'm just going to show you which image I am going to use for this practical. So yeah, you can simply even download any image from internet. I have also downloaded it from internet. So as you can see, this image I am going to use for this practical. So as you can see, it has a photo frame which is of rectangular shape. So I can use this frame as a rectangular region. As you can see at the bottom there is a globe. I can use this globe as circle region. And as you can see at the left side of this image there are two vases, so I can use any of them as the polygon shape, or I can even use the candles or the box. I've searched home decor image for this image. You can find many images if you search like this, so you'll get objects like this. So after this, the second thing which is the most important for this practical is to note the coordinates. While you are performing this practical in laptop, you can note the coordinates with the help of MS Paint. Just you have to take points on the shapes corner. So while performing it in mobile phone, there are two ways from which you can note the coordinates. I'm going to tell you both the ways, and for the both the ways you are going to need internet. So to find the coordinates, so the first one is XGIMP. As I told you, Boardbook has mentioned 4 different apps to note the coordinate. So within those 4 apps, GIMP is the app which is also available for mobile. So you can download it simply by going in Play Store and searching GIMP. I have also mentioned the link of this app in the description, so you can also download it from there. So first I am going to show you how to note coordinates through this GIMP app. So open this app. Icon look like this. So after you open, it looks like this. So after you have to select your image. So my image is saved in download folder. So I'm just going in download and opening the, after this it will show you different types of options. So you have to select XGIMP option to note the coordinates. So I'm just opening it, so it will show you uploading. This will need internet. If internet is not on in your phone, it will show error. So it is getting uploaded. So the toolbar looks like this. So after that you have to just select which region you have to select and for what reason you want the coordinates. So first I'm taking the rectangle. So just you have to click on there and you will see an arrow key. So try to take it to the corner of rectangle and just zoom out, and you can see at the bottom there are the coordinates recorded. So like this we have to record all the coordinates, so you can write these coordinates. So while you are taking rectangle coordinates shape, so you have to take opposites corner. Like just right now I have taken the top corner of rectangle. After that you have to take opposite of that corner. So always remember that while taking coordinates of rectangle, there will be only 2 pairs of coordinates. You don't have to take the coordinates of other 2 corners. So after this, click on the and write down the other coordinates too. So these are the coordinates. So rectangle coordinates are done. After this, the second shape is circle. So zoom in, and while taking circle coordinate, you have to take the center of the circle coordinate and 1 point at the circumference of circle. So you can either take approximately or you can draw a line from the toolbar. So right now I'm just taking approximately the center of circle. So just take the arrow to the center and zoom out and write down the center coordinates. So these are the center coordinates. So after this you have to try to take it to in a straight line on the circumference. So go zoom out. So remember that always the y coordinate is same or common while you are noting down the circle coordinates, it's just because it is not same just because we have taken it in approximate. If you draw a straight line and then take the second point coordinates, so it will be same. So after this, to take the coordinates of polygon shaped, I am selecting this vase. So after this, take an anti-clockwise direction or clockwise direction. So select the first corner, zoom out, write its coordinate, again zoom in, go on the second, take the second corner coordinates, again zoom in. Like this we have to do with all the corners of polygon. So there is no limit on how much coordinate can a polygon shape can have, because it is an irregular shape. Again, then continue like this till you finish all the corners. So now we are done with our noting of coordinates. After, just close it and go back. So this was the first way to note down the coordinates, and the second way to note down the coordinate is using a website. So as you know that both the ways will going to need internet, so you can use any of this way. So I'll prefer you to use the website way because it is little bit easy than this. So it will also provide you the coordinates. So I'll show you how it goes. So after this, the second way through which you can know the coordinates is just open your Google, or you can even open Chrome. After this, you have to search for image fish mouse coordinates. So after, you can see the first website, that is record XY mouse coordinates on an uploaded image. So you have to open this website. Between both the app and this website, the easiest way to note coordinates while you are using mobile phone is using this website, because it is little bit easy to get the coordinates through this. So after this, just one bad thing about this website, it is that it only accepts the images up to 500 KB. It doesn't take more than that. If your image is more than that size, you have to compress it to a lesser size. So just before you upload the image to this website, check in details that your image is of what KB. So I'm just going back and showing you what is the size of the photo which I'm using. I have just downloaded from internet. I have not reduced its size or not even compressed it. I'll be also placing a link in description from where you can compress your image to a smaller size if it is of higher size. So as you can see here, it is of 31.1 KB, so it is very less than the given condition. So I'm just going back to the website. So after that, just click on the choose file and select the image from your files. So here my image is being selected. So it is showing something here and I'm choosing the image again. So here you can see the image name is appearing here after you choose it. After that, whatever number or alphabets are appearing in the black box, you have to write it in the below box. So just zoom out it. So it is 57 and capital R. After that, just zoom in and click on upload image. So it is getting processed. So the image is uploaded. After the image is uploaded, the image will appear here. So as I already told you that while recording the rectangle coordinates, there are only two pairs of coordinates. So I'm selecting it in the top corner. I'm just putting a dot just by clicking on that corner. You can also take the dot little bit outside that frame, so it will be little bit bigger. So after, you can see at the top of the image there is written x coordinate and y coordinate in px. So these is the coordinates. So you can also write this coordinates on a paper, or you can just let it be. I'll show you how you can get these coordinates afterwards. So after this, I'm taking the opposite corner and just clicking on that. So these are the another coordinates. So after this, I'm done with my first shape. So to get the coordinates, just go down and click on finalize. So after, zoom out and go down. So here you can see our output xy coordinates are here, both coordinates are here. So after this, I'm just writing it. You can even take screenshot of that and then write it while we are doing coding. So I'm writing it in a notebook. So after that, just clear it from the clear button and go up and again click on delete all coordinates. So it will remove the rectangle shape coordinates, and after it will again ask you. So click on OK for confirmation. And after that, I'm taking the second shape, that is circle. So I'm just zooming in. So for circle, we have to take the first point as the center of the circle. So take approximately. So yeah, after this, I'm taking even the stands half circle in the circular region. So second point we have to take on the circumference of circle. It should be try that it should be in a straight line. So yeah, after that, again go down and click on finalize and go down. So as you can see, circles two coordinates are here, so we didn't need the two of them. So first write the first pair of coordinate, that is 395 202. So you can see there is slightly difference in the y coordinate. It should not be there just because we have taken it approximately. If you are doing this practical in laptop, in MS Paint you can draw a line and then you can take the point. So So always the y coordinate is same in the circle. While you are taking the circle coordinate, y coordinate is always same while you are taking both the pairs. So assume that second y coordinate is also same. So after that, the third, I already told you that circle always have 3 coordinates like x, y and again x. So to obtain that third, we have to just we have to write the second x coordinate, that is always the second x coordinate will always be greater than the first coordinate. So write it 447 and then subtract the first x coordinate from it. So the first coordinate is 395, so it comes to be 52. So our circle coordinates will be 395, 202 and 52. So these are the coordinates we have to write again, then just clear on it and then delete all coordinates, then click on OK, and then the last shape which is left is polygons. For that I am selecting this vase, so just take it in a clockwise, just take it in anti-clockwise. So put dot on all the corners of the shape. So after that, just go down and click on finalize and zoom out and write all the coordinates of polygon. You can also take screenshot of this, but while writing the code you have to go back to check what are the coordinates. If you are writing it, it will be easy to write it. So for that I am just writing the coordinates. So I'm done. So after this, just close this, and after that we have to open Trebedit app to write our coding. So I'm just opening it. So after that, click on menu and click on workshop. So as you can see also in the recent file, the files are appearing which I have done recently, so that after doing this practical, this file will come at the top. So after that then click on new project and I'm writing here as SOP7, then click on open that file, and again first you have to import the file, or you can also import it after you finish writing code. So but I am importing it first so I can check the output directly. So after that you have to click on import file, then select the image from the folder, then open. So as you can see, my image is imported here in this folder. So I'm renaming it because it is very lengthy name. So I'm giving it as photo. So it is photo.jpg. So it is easy to remember also, and while writing it is easy. So after that, just click on the plus and click on new file, and here as the board book has mentioned the name of web page, that is image map, so you have to give it as imagemap.html. so then click on the correct sign, and here you can see imagemap.html file is created, and you can see the brackets icon, so it indicates that it is an HTML file. So click on it to open. So after you can see the file is being opened. At the side there are the earlier files which I have created. So after that, to start with, we have to write the basic HTML code, that is doc type. So I'm starting writing the basic HTML code. So write it doc type, then HTML. So this is the basic which we use. Doc type is used in HTML file. So after that, open HTML tag, then close it. As you can see, the HTML tag is closed automatically as soon as I close the HTML open tag. So after that, I am opening head tag. So after that, in between the head tag, I have to open title tag to give the title of this web page. So write title, close it. So as you can see, all the brackets and is equals to double inverted comma as well, and some tags are available at the top of the keyboard. So it saves our time while writing the code. So you don't have to find it going inside the numbers and then again inside. So yeah, after this I'm giving the title as client side image mapping. So after that, after closing the title tag, I am opening body tag. After the head tag is closed, after that we have to open body tag. So we are done with the basic HTML coding. So this is the basic HTML code which we need for every practical. So after this, to insert any image in any web page, we have to use img tag. So I am opening img tag. You can simply select from the top as well, but to show you how to write, I am just writing it. So after that, just leave some space and write src, then is equals to double inverted comma. Src will specify our image name or its address in our mobile phone. So as I have imported the image in the same folder where my HTML file is saved, so I can directly write the name of it with its extension. So the name of the file is photo.jpg. So you have to give the name as it is there on the photo. Like if the first letter is capital, you have to give the first letter capital only. So after that, leave a little space and write alt and is equals to double inverted comma. So alt will specify an alternate name to the image if the image is getting opened or it is not supported by the browser. Thus this name will be shown there. So I am giving here as home, as my image is related to home decor thing. So I'm giving here home. So after that, I'm closing image tag. So image is an empty tag, it doesn't have a /image closing tag, so you don't need it to close by /. So after that, go down. One more thing which is left in this opening tag, if you are only inserting image, this much is enough to insert an image. So in this practical, we have to use this image as a client-side image mapping. So for that, in opening image tag, we have to write one more thing, one more attribute we have to write, that is use map is equals to double inverted comma. So use map, it will specify, it is an attribute which we need while using client-side image mapping. So whatever name you are giving here, it is the name which is being used for our map. So before giving any name, just you have to remember to give slash. Just you have to remember to give hashtag. So after that you can give any name. So as my image is related to home, I'm giving here home. You can give any other name related or not related to the image. So after that we have to open another tag, that is map tag. So write map, then leave space, and we have to give a attribute as name is equals to double inverted comma. So in this we have to write the name which we have given in the use map. So as I have given use map slash home, so while writing name in map you have to just remove that hashtag. So just write home or whatever name you are giving. So after that close this. So map tag is an pair tag. So after this I am opening area tag. Area tag will specify the specific area which is used to do the client-side image mapping, and it will also specify where should it lead when we click on that particular area. So after that area you have to write shape after giving a little bit space, then write is equals to double inverted comma, and in this double inverted comma you have to specify which shape you are giving. So first I am giving a rectangle shape. So to give rectangle you have to write only rect, R-E-C-T. You don't have to write the whole spelling of rectangle. So write rect. So after that leave space and write chords. Chords will specify our coordinates of this shape. So after this write is equals to double inverted comma and write both the pairs of coordinates. First write the top corner and then write the lower corner. So my coordinates were, I am taking the coordinates which have been obtained through the website. So I am writing it as 331, then comma, give comma after each coordinate. So 21, comma, 429, comma, 97, and we are finished with the rectangle coordinates. Whenever you are giving a rectangular region as image mapping, so it will have only 4 coordinates, not more than that or not less than this. So after that you have to give href is equals to double inverted comma. So this will specify where should this region will take us to, which website. It should be a local website or it should be an internet website. So just right now I'm leaving it blank. After that you have to give alternate text which will be shown if you take arrow on the region. So write alt is equals to, so I'm just giving here as click here. You can even give the name of website which you are linking to here. So after that just close this bracket. Area is an empty tag, so remove this closing tag. So we are done with our first shape. So to write in href, as board book has mentioned, we have to navigate it to local web page. So right now I'm not having a local web page in my mobile phone, so I'm just linking it to an internet website. So I'm just opening Google by going back, and I'm just searching for any website you can search. So it is I've given it to a rectangle, like it is a frame, so I'm searching for a frame. so it will lead me to a frame related website. So open any website, and after opening it, just click on the share icon. It will provide me an option to copy the link, so it will give me the whole link. So copy to clipboard. So after that, I'm just opening again TrebEdit. Put the TrebEdit in the background only, as I've not saved the web page till now. So if you are going back and you are not putting that in background, just save it before you go back. So after that, I'm just pasting it. So as you can see, the web page link URL has been pasted here. So after that, just click on the save icon. So as you can see, the messages appeared as saved. So after that, I'm just clicking on the play button. So as you can see, our image is appearing here. So to see whether we have linked or given the region properly or not, so as I have done only the shape of rectangle, which I have selected the region as the frame, so I'm just long pressing on the frame. So as you can see, slightly a very thin shape, rectangle shape is being there of yellow lining. So this indicates that this is the shape or region. If we click in this shape, it will lead us to or navigate us to a different website. So I'm just saying after clicking this, so zoom out. So as you can see, while pasting, the double inverted brackets are mismatched, so that's why it was not working. So after that, I'm just putting the double inverted comma on its right place. So after that, again click on save button and click on the play button. So take care while you are pasting the URL. So the shape is there, and after I click, as you can see, the website which I've given the URL is here, like Freepik. So our first shape is done. So after that, to give the second shape region, so just again we have to open area tab. We don't need to open again the map or use map, so just we have to open area tag. So after that, again area, then write shape is equals to, so the second shape I'm taking as circle, so write circle here. While giving circle, you have to write circle fully. So after circle, there we have to write chords is equals to, then write the chords 395, 202, 52, and we are done. So after that, href is equals to, so again I'm leaving this blank to write the URL later. After that, write alt is equals to, so again I'm writing here, click here only, and then close it. After that I'm again opening the third area tag as well. So we'll check the output of both the shape which are left together. So write area again, then shape is equals to, then the last shape which is left is polygon. So to write polygon we have to write only poly, P-O-L-Y. So after that leave some space, write chords is equals to double inverted comma. So then write the all chords 148, 159, 131, 271, 145, 323, 202, 320, 213, 267, 197, then 160. So after that leave space and write href is equals to, then write alt is equals to, again I am writing here, click here. To that just close the bracket, just remove this closing tag of area. So just click on the save button and I'm just searching for another website. So I'm just searching for Google Earth to give URL to the globe. You can give any other website. Again click on share, copy to clipboard, go back and paste it in the href of circle shape. So now the brackets are correctly. So the third is polygon. Just save again and I'm going back and search for a plant or any other website. While you are doing this practical, you have to navigate it to a local web page, means whichever web page you are having in your mobile or in your phone. So I'm just pasting this Wikipedia. So again click on the share. Again copy to clipboard. It is copied. Just go back. And paste it in the href of polygon shape. After that again click on save button after you have finished pasting it. Then I'm just clicking on the play button to see the output. So after this I'm just long pressing on the globe, so you can see the circle shape region is in this much area. So if I click on this, so it is navigating me to the Google Earth website. So this shape is done. So again click on play button and I'm long pressing on the vase. So as you can see, the shape is like this. So after this, click on that and it is leading to the Wikipedia of plants. So this is it for this practical. We are done all the things related to the practicals. So hope you have understood how to perform this practical using your mobile phone. So this is the only alternatives, either using GIMP app or with the help of that website. These are only two things which will provide you coordinates while you are using mobile phone to perform this practical. So hope you enjoyed it, and please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. If you have any query, please comment down below, and I have placed the link from where you can get the code which I have done in this web page. And you can also get I'll also be putting a link from where you can download the image which I have used in this practical. I have also placed link of the website which I am using to note the coordinates. So, and to view another, I have made a different image mapping using a different image. Like I have taken 3 rectangle shape, 1 circle and 1 polygon shape in that. So you can also check out that from that link.